Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link one cell to another in Excel. To begin, select the destination cell where you want the linked information to display. Next, type an equals sign, which signals to Excel that you are entering a formula. Then, simply click on the specific cell containing the data you wish to link. Finally, press the Enter key to complete the process, and your cells will be connected. Once you've established the link, the destination cell will mirror the content of your source cell precisely. The real power here is the dynamic nature of this connection. If you modify the data in the original source cell, the linked cell will instantly reflect those changes. This ensures that your information remains consistent and up-to-date across your entire workbook, saving you valuable time and effort. This linking method isn't limited to a single sheet. You can easily connect cells across various worksheets within your Excel workbook. The process is nearly identical. After typing the equals sign, navigate to the desired sheet and click on the source cell. Excel automatically adds the sheet name and an exclamation mark to your formula, like Sheet 2. A 1, ensuring a clear and precise reference. Linking cells offers significant advantages, primarily by drastically reducing data entry errors and enhancing overall accuracy in your spreadsheets. This technique is especially beneficial for maintaining consistency across extensive datasets or complex reports. For best practices, always ensure your source cells are clearly labeled and organized. This makes your formulas easier to understand and manage, especially when collaborating with others on a project.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.